Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install WEBTOON application on your Android or iOS device. First of all, unlock your Android or iOS device and make sure that it is connected to a stable internet. Now launch open Google Play Store or App Store and in the search bar type in WEBTOON and search. From the search results, look for the WEBTOON manga comics manhwa application from Naver WEBTOON. Now, tap on Install to begin downloading the app on your device. Wait for the WEBTOON application to install, which will take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, tap on Open to launch open the app. Now, once you are done with the installation and the launching is done of the app, go ahead and log in using one of the login options provided on the screen, and you'll then be able to sign in to your WEBTOON account. If you don't have an account yet, you can also create one. So that is how you easily download and install WEBTOON application on your Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.